Hi, if you have chronic kidney disease, it's important to watch what you eat and drink, because your kidneys cannot remove waste products as well as they should. Diet is incredibly important for kidney disease patients. What you eat can cause, prevent, or even help alleviate pain and symptoms. Dietitians can help determine a diet that is specific to each patient. What's a kidney-friendly diet? A major function of the kidneys is to get rid of waste and extra fluid from your body through your pee. They also balance your body's minerals, like salt and potassium. Balance your body's fluids. Make hormones that affect the way other organs work. A kidney-friendly diet is a way of eating that helps protect your kidneys from further damage. You'll have to limit some foods and fluids so other fluids and minerals like electrolytes don't build up in your body. At the same time, you'll have to make sure you get the right balance of protein, calories, vitamins, and minerals. The doctor may suggest you work with a dietitian to choose foods that are easy on your kidneys. They might recommend 1. Cabbage, with abundant phytochemicals. This cruciferous vegetable is filling and nutritious, good in soups, salads, or even alone with just salt and pepper. 2. Red peppers, also low in potassium but high in flavor. Including red peppers in your recipes can add flavor and nutrition. 3. Cauliflower, high in vitamin C, folate and fiber. Cauliflower helps your body fight off toxins. Raw, steamed, or in soups, this superfood tastes delicious. Steam and mash for a kidney-friendly alternative to mashed potatoes. 4. Blueberries, low in potassium and high in antioxidants. These sweet berries work as an anti-inflammatory food that just happens to taste delightful. 5. Egg whites. As a low-potassium source of protein, egg whites are the perfect option for kidney patients looking for a way to still get in an omelette or a deviled egg occasionally. 6. Garlic. When your diet is limited for health reasons, spices are one of your best friends. Garlic is a tasty as well as nutritious addition to your menu, with anti-inflammatory properties as well as the ability to lower your cholesterol. 7. Fish. High in omega-3 fatty acids, fish are an excellent source of protein that also boosts your heart health. 8. Red grapes. The red pigmentation in grapes comes from a substance called flavonoids. These flavonoids help to reduce the risk of blood clots. Grapes can be frozen and eaten as a thirst-quenching measure for patients on a liquid-restricted diet. 9. Olive oil. Naturally rich in oleic acid and polyphenols, both anti-inflammatory, extra virgin olive oil has long been considered a healthy food. 10. Strawberries. Low in potassium and high in vitamin C, manganese, and fiber, strawberries don't just taste good, they really are good. This natural candy feels like a treat when your diet is restricted for health reasons. What's your favorite food with these ingredients in it? Tell us your favorite kidney-friendly food. Don't forget to subscribe in the channel.